Good morning, guys. We are up and at the doctor's office. We're about to pull in right now and we're 3 minutes late. So I am trying to hurry up, get there, get parked, but I wanted to let you guys know that it's morning time and we're here for Jackson's 9-month doctor appointment. Sorry I'm chewing gum. I had to brush my teeth in the middle of drinking my coffee. So then I had coffee breath after I finished my coffee. So I just have some gum so they don't smell bad. But I have a green light. I'm gonna see if I can film a little bit inside his doctor appointment. It might be a little bit hectic, but if not, I'll give you guys stats and stuff when I get back in the car. All right, guys, I did not vlog in there because
I got a red lollipop.
got a red lollipop. The one thing I love about this doctor's office is that they are quick and efficient. They get you in there, they get you out of there. So it's kind of hard to like bring the camera out. I mean, we weren't even waiting for the doctor at any point. So Jackson did good. He's healthy, he's growing good. And I'll do specific like measurements and stuff on his 9-month update, which you guys will see soon. But otherwise, he's doing really good. And she was very happy with his development. I had to like fill out some questionnaire about things that he's doing, like is he picking things up and is he like clapping and stuff like that. And he passed that test with flying colors, so she was happy about that. We also told her that we were pregnant and she was like, oh my gosh, she was really excited. So it was a good visit, very short, which I like. And now we have to go pick up our groceries. The grocery store is on the way home, so that's good. And we have a few groceries. We're actually leaving pretty much halfway through the week this week, so we didn't need many groceries. We just needed a few dinners to get us through the next few days. And Jane was such a good girl that you got a lollipop, right?
A red.
Red lollipop.
Yeah, and at the dance, I can have an orange lollipop.
Yeah. So the doctor's office didn't even, sometimes we have to ask for a lollipop, but this time they just gave her one, and they actually gave her 2 lollipops. I'm not sure if they thought Jackson would have one or what the deal was, but I told Jane that if she's good today, all day today, and if she's good at dance, then she can have her other lollipop on the way home from dance. So we'll see how that goes.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Getting the groceries. All right, guys, we're home, and I am gonna get these groceries put away before we eat lunch. Jackson's going around. Jane is going crazy with these dogs. These poor dogs. Oh my word. I stopped at Starbucks on the way home because we don't have a smoothie place here. I'm always craving smoothies. I love smoothies. And our Starbucks actually just opened up near us. We have a Starbucks in the Target, but there's no drive-through, so that's kind of strange. So our Starbucks just opened 6 days ago. That's what the lady said. And she gave me a free smoothie. I was gonna pay, I had a gift card, so I was gonna use a gift card, but she gave me that because the line was long and there was a long wait for the drive-through. So I got a free smoothie today, so I was really excited about that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these groceries away. These kids really are going crazy, you guys. Jane, be careful with him, okay? Oh my gosh. As long as he's not crying, I guess. Okay, Jane, where are we going? Dance class. Yay. Come on, this way. We'll be late.
Yep.
All right, we're eating dinner. What are we having tonight, Jane?
Woo! A spicy. That's a spicy meatball. I got a little heavy-handed with the chili flakes.
You put a lot of seasoning on there. What else did you put on there?
I just put in everything that I thought could make it.
If you guys didn't know, Chris is like the seasoning king freak. He puts seasonings on everything. Like, he can't just eat anything plain.
Can't be afraid of flavor.
Sometimes it's a little too much.
I'm playing.
Okay, we'll cool it off.
dried oregano, garlic powder. They have parsley in it. And a lot of crushed red peppers.
Oh my gosh.
No,
I don't ever put anything on mine. Sometimes I put Parmesan cheese and sometimes I'll put red pepper flakes, but not a lot. So anyways, we're eating. We got garlic bread today, which we haven't had in a while. Jackson's trying some noodles. He has a noodle on his face.
It's because I worked in that restaurant for so long.
And meatballs and peas. Jane has some spaghetti. And we're gonna eat.
Will you marry me?
Sure.
Sure.
What's your name?
Cinderella.
Cinderella?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what are you doing here?
I am interested. My headband is lost.
Your headband's lost?
But what's Tommy? He's trying to help me, but he's doing the dishes.
Prince Charming's doing the dishes. Who's Prince Charming?
Daddy.
Daddy. Oh, Jackson's pulling the camera down. Look, he's standing up. Standing up all by himself. Whoa. What else do you want to say, Cinderella?
I was.
There's Prince Charming.
That's King Charming to you. That's King Charming to you. You can't get up here. Only kings can get up here.
Whoa.
King Charming.
Prince Charming.
Ask Mom.
What? Mom, Daddy told me he's King Charming because I don't want King Charming. I want Prince Charming.
Who's River?
River is my spin. My dragon dogs.
Oh,
My dragon dogs. Dragon Hannah, sit.
no, she doesn't
Yes,
listen.
she does. She's just slow. Dragon Hannah, sit.
All right, I gotta get off the
Good,
floor.
Dragon Hannah. Shake my hand, Dragon Hannah. And shake.
She doesn't know what it is.
Well, she knows what it is. She just hasn't noticed it yet.
Let's see how long it takes for Jane to notice that Daddy's eating ice
What
cream.
are y'all doing? Are you playing with him? You playing with him? She made a face and laughed.
Can I have some ice cream?
I thought you didn't want to marry Daddy evermore.
Yeah, you told me you didn't want to marry me. Only my wife gets ice cream. Here.
Mmm.
I want some.
You gonna marry me?
That's mine. That's mine, babe. Get mine.
That was the last piece. Oh wait, there's another one. Was it good?
That's mine, babe.
Oh, don't cough on me.
I try. Oh, here, Mom.
All right, Jackson knows how to climb the stairs now. No, he just stood up straight on the first stair, and I thought he was gonna fall backwards. So Chris told me yesterday that Jackson could climb the stairs, but I haven't seen it yet, and we forgot to close this gate, and sure enough, he's made it to the second step. Oh boy, we're gonna be in trouble. Jackson, you're in trouble. He loves that thing, I'm telling you. Woo! That was a good step.
Did you get that one?
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
That's 2 steps.
Yeah.
Show him the ball. What are you doing?
Oh, I didn't know that was the plan.
When he's standing up, you show him the ball.
Sorry. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. We are getting ready to give these kids baths and bed. Jackson has been playing with this ball. He has been taking a few steps to the ball and to the cell phones. So it's really exciting. I think he's gonna be walking soon. Look at him up on his knees. But I hope you guys liked today's vlog. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Jane, come say bye.
Bye. My name is Cinderella. I'm going to say bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye.